Why, hello. Today's Wednesday, and I'm home with this guy. Say hi, Tyler. Oh, he sees himself. Hey, bud. Yeah, so he's not feeling so good. Actually, the daycare yesterday said that he was a disaster. So I kept him home today to take him to the doctor. But the doctor said his ears were clear, so it's probably just teething because he has this rash on his mouth also, which could be dry skin because of the weather, but also probably teething. And we're supposed to get some serious snow this weekend, so Tyler and I might run out to Walmart to pick up some things, but probably will leave him home with Howie when Howie gets home because it's really cold out and I don't want to take him out in this. Additionally, I would just like to point out that Tyler has pooped approximately 8 times today already, and it's only noon. And he fights me as if I'm wrestling an alligator every time. I have to change his diaper, so I'm getting a pretty good workout. Who needs the gym when you have an 8-month-old who hates having his diaper changed?
Tell me this isn't the most frustrating thing as a parent. When your child is exhausted, but they're doing this as opposed to napping. Yep, this has been going on for about 20 minutes. Good times.
We're at the library again, and I'm about to get a puppet show.
This one, he has this little shaky eyes, and he says hello.
Hello.
The end.
That was a very quick puppet show. We're at Papa and Grandma's house.
Yeah.
Papa's upstairs taking a shower. You're playing your game.
Don't even say that about Papa.
What did I say about Papa?
Because he's naked. People naked are...
You said it, not me. I said he was in the shower. You said he was naked. It's my lunch date. Are you my lunch date? What are you playing? Driving game again?
This time it's this
Okay. What you got in your cup?
shelter.
Oh. You love seltzer, huh? You don't want to talk to me? You'd rather play a game?
But I like my game.
Okay, it's Tyler's first French fry. Give it a whirl, Tay. Come on. Give it a whirl. Oh, good job. How is that? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yes.
The hit the hoot. The hit the hoot. The hit the hoot. The hit the doot. Hit the doot. Hit the doot.
So he just woke up, and we're gonna take a look outside and see the snow. Ready? Go ahead. Pick it up, buddy. Pick it up, honey.
That's a lot of snow than the other one.
Yeah, this is more snow than the other one, right?
It's still snowing.
Of course it's still snowing. It's gonna be still snowing for a long time. We're gonna get a lot of snow.
You can't even see anything. The trees are not even full of snow.
Well, they will be. Oh my god, look how high the snow is. Poor dogs.
Jesse, it's too high. I can't. You have to wait.
Sorry, girls. Oh my gosh. Zach, do you see how high the snow is?
Oh my god, I see the...
What, honey?
See all that?
Blowing, yeah, it's windy.
Whoa!
outside. Look at him. Look at that, Zach. Look how high it is. We have to let the dog out, so we have to figure out how to get all this stuff. Oh, boo. Then open it more.
I have to.
And Zach's crying because he wants to go outside in a blizzard. Nice. This is our first snow living in this house. Okay, girls, come on.
I just want to go outside.
Yay!
No, stay here. Stay here.
They're not gonna stay here. Come
Shut
on.
the door.
All right, Zach's gonna brave the elements. Go ahead, Zach. Ah, it's cold. Go ahead, baby. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look how deep it is, Zach.
Yeah, it's so deep. I'm getting the snow off the steps. I found a snowball. Snowball. Ah.
There he is. Shoveling away. We're inside. It is freezing outside. It's Dai's first snow! Yay! What do you see on our door? Are you playing with him? Let it snow. Let it snow indeed. Yay! He's throwing the shovel. Where's Zach? Can't see him. Oh my gosh. Sorry about it. I'm doing this through a screen. Because I'm nice and warm inside. And they're outside. Look how deep it is. Oh my god. How he's up to his waist. Oh no. Never mind. He's sitting down. Zach's like up to his waist. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Good morning, Taylor. Hi, Ty. Good morning. Yep, so this happened. That's only half because we had shoveled the deck one time. And that's our backyard. As you can see, the deck is like halfway under snow. This guy's hanging out. We're watching a movie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Zach, can you not put your face on my couch? Because you have Nutella on your face. Let's see you. Can you go wash your face? Thank you. So what you're looking at right now used to be our driveway. There's Howie's car covered in snow. You can see a little piece of it. We can't do the driveway because Howie's snowblower won't work in 18 inches of snow. And we even, you can see that it's like kind of halfway done. He did go out twice yesterday and we still can't get the snowblower through. So he's been calling people all morning to come get us out, but I don't know if we're going to get out today and get to work tomorrow. So that's pretty crazy. What are you doing, Tay? Going through your drawers? Going through your drawers? Huh? This guy was up at 4:30 today. Yep, 4:30 for the day. It was a lot of fun. And Zach, of course, had to get up too. So we had two kids up at 4:30. I slept in yesterday, so Howie slept in today. So I was up with him at 4:30. It wasn't so bad, actually. He went back down for a nap around 7. So I went down again at 7 too. Right, Tyler? Now you're emptying all your drawers? Don't do it.
Welcome to the show!
Oh!
Do you have a ticket for what you're doing?
Yeah, I have a ticket.
Ticket, please.
Okay, here's my ticket.
Thanks. Do you know what song you're
Yes,
doing?
I'd like you to sing The Wheels on the Bus. Yes, thank you.
Let me go turn the switch.
He takes requests.
Thanks.
You know, it just seems like this setup should have been done before the audience was let into the building. What do you think? You think that setup could have been done prior to the show?
He's on the music. He's on the road. That Elmo song. This is the song. La la la. Big Bird song. This is the song. La la la. Big Bird song. La la la. La 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 la. La Elmo song.
Why do you have a marker? Are you using the marker as a pick?
Yeah.
You're really funny. You can just use your fingers as a pick. Go ahead. Let's hear it.
When your legs don't go to the floor.
And I can't see.
Tonight we'll be letting you listen to you. I think around people baby, just a heart of a plan. Take me now.
Take me.
Your loving hand. Give me a thousand stars. What's in there? What's my pick?
All right. So we're all in the snow. We're ready to build our snowman, right?
Yeah.
All right.
How do you open it?
You want mommy to do it?
Yeah.
All right, we've abandoned the snowman idea because the snow is too powdery. Whoops, you okay?
Yeah.
So instead, we're we're cleaning off Daddy's car, right? Yeah. Come over here. I want everybody to see how deep it is. Uh-oh. You okay? Come walk. You're on a snow mountain. Ah! Crazy. Look at you next to this mountain. Go stand next to that. Okay, I've been told he wants to jump into the snow pile. Go. Was it everything you wished it would be?
You have to say
All right, are you gonna? Okay, you want me to say 1, 2, 3? All right, I'm getting pushed in backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah. That's what it means. Yeah. That's what it means. Thanks for watching. See you next week.